Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm going to do a quick brief intro and we're ready to go. This is starting my whole series on ageless beauty, just wanting to make sure that your beauty at every age, you take care of yourself, your skin. So we're going to do some tips and tricks and have a little chat about staying youthful. So if you're interested, stay tuned. As you guys know, I love to dive right in. So this series that I'm doing, this is the first of a series of probably about 10. I'm going to go into just ways that you can actually care for your skin, focus on looking beautiful at every age. I always go through the Vogues and the different end styles where it says, oh, this is what you're supposed to wear at 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, whatever. And I think you can wear whatever you want at any age. And that's what this is about. So I have someone that's been very special to me in my life as far as a makeup artist. I've never had my makeup done by him, but I am a true believer and follower of Sam Fine. This book I've had probably, oh my gosh, for decades, easily. And you see I have my little stickies right here of all the tips and tricks that he's offered me over the years, and truly I have followed them. I think it's imperative that you know it is important, so important to have a Zen existence. My life, I try to make sure there's not a lot of drama, a little bit of stress. I try to eat right, drink lots of water. I pray to the God that I believe in, and I try to make sure I give back. These are some tips and tricks for everybody at every age. So a couple of things that Sam taught me many years ago was simply to make sure that you're starting with a good base. And a base means that you're able to moisturize your face, take care of your skin, focus on your insides as well. What you put in is what you get out. So you want to make sure that you're eating healthy, you're taking your vitamins if you believe in vitamins, you're drinking lots of water, and also your mental health is important. Make sure that you're solid and sound with who you are, what your beliefs are, your family, and your focus. I try to make sure that I keep drama at bay, okay? I hug my little dog all the time. I love my husband to death. And I kid you not, it makes things much easier to deal with when there are issues in your life or something's going on, when you have a peaceful place you can come home to. That is so important. And it doesn't matter how big or small your place is, just make sure it's yours and you're happy and you feel good and you make it peaceful. In our home in particular, I enjoy having sounds of water and nature. So I have my candles going, I have my fountain going, I have nice mellow music in the background most of the time. So I just want to make sure that I have a very balanced life. Okay, some of the tips and tricks. I kid you not, being able to minimize fine lines and wrinkles is the key. So you have to moisturize. You have to use sunscreen. These are key basic things that will help you look great at every age. As I told you, some of the tips and tricks about putting a satin pillowcase over your pillow, making sure that you don't pull or tug on your face. I hardly ever touch my face with these dirty hands. Trust and believe. I shake a lot of hands. I give people hugs. But at the end of the day, you touch everything, you kiss everything, you bottles, water, doorknobs. These are nasty. These are dirty. Try to use hand sanitizers on a regular basis. Okay? Love yourself. And my key advice, number one, oh my God, is to stay grounded. No matter where you are, how much success you have or failure, stay grounded. Be the best you can be for you. Okay, a couple of things from Makeup 101. The key is to have the right tools. This is one thing that Sam Fine truly taught me, and he is my inspiration. I kid you not, you want to make sure that you have the proper tools to make a beautiful face, to improve your beautiful face, to create a beautiful face. So, all that being said, you don't have to spend a lot of money. It doesn't matter if it's a brand or if it's something that you get at CVS or Target. Have good tools. Make sure you have an array of brushes so that when it's time for you to do your eyes or do your lips or even your cheeks and your shadows, you have what it takes. I am a true fan of Morphe brushes. I love these brushes. I have an array of them. So what you want to do is you want to get what's useful for you. And you don't have to start out getting 1,000 brushes like I may have. But you can definitely start with a simple 8-pack, 10-pack, whatever. And if you cannot afford what is available at Morphe, which if you're in that position and you can't, that's no problem. Amazon has great brushes. I think I brought a collection of brushes. It was 9 in there. I think I paid maybe $15. It may have even been 10. But you can find what you need. Just look. Even at the dollar store, at TJ Maxx, at Marshall's, they have brushes. And oftentimes it's like $5 for 5 brushes. And that's one way to get started. A couple of things that you want to have in your collection is a nice powder brush. A powder brush is really good. This is mine. This is IT Cosmetics. This is one of mine. I do have a lot. And you want kind of a whisk brush, which is what I showed you initially. This is what I use to apply my highlight. Yes. So you also want a nice, decent blush brush. I have one from Morphe. This happens to be IT Cosmetics. I like the fact that it's slanted just to give that effortless look. And you don't want to put too much blush on because it tends to make you look older. Being able to have a minimalistic look, I am full glam all day, every day. If I go to the grocery store or walk my dog, I may not put lashes on. No, I always put lashes on. I may not put highlight on, but I like the full glam look, and that's what I'm all about. Okay, you do want a contour brush. I have several. One of my contour brushes is this one here. This is actually one that I got on Amazon in that 10-pack. So it's up to you, and this allows you not to cover too much. This is really good. I love it. Love this brush. I recently received it. Also, sponges. I have a gang of sponges. You can get sponges from your local drugstore. You can get them at Morphe. You can get them at MAC, wherever you want. They're everywhere now. So some nice sponges. And I also recommend just a generic pack of sponges from your local drugstore, just for simple touch-ups. And you want to be as gentle as possible when touching your face, when applying things, when cleaning your face. This is it. This is the only face you got. And you don't want to have to go and try and get a facelift. But if you got to get one, get one. But you want to try and work with what you have and take care of it. Okay? A couple of other brushes. Eyeshadow brushes, you can have an array of them. I like the Morphe brushes in particular because you have the loose ones. They help to apply. You can use for your blending. Quite nice. Then a couple of other brushes I have from Morphe. These here, I like this one here in particular is the E37, and it's great for going in and gently applying your makeup. Once again, you want to use a gentle hand on your face. It's the only face you got. Okay. Next, you want to focus on, I have several eyeliner brushes. These brushes are also between MAC and Morphe. And this one here is a little slanted, if you could see. And, you know, just pick what works best for you. I have a plethora of them. So my thing is I use different ones just to achieve a certain look. I do like to use a lip pencil. A lip brush and a lip pencil. But with the brush, what I like to do is go in and just line my lips ever so carefully. And it helps me keep control of the lipstick. And honestly, it helps me to preserve my lipstick. I don't use as much when I use a brush. Tweezers. It is imperative that you have good tweezers. I'm not going to show you every product, but everybody knows what tweezers are. I have about 5 different pairs of tweezers. Okay, so then what you want to do, you want to make sure that you understand the full process of applying your makeup. If you apply your makeup bad, then chances are it's going to make you look old and accentuate your wrinkles and fine lines. So I highly recommend you could watch my videos on applying foundation and makeup and contouring. You can watch any of the YouTube influencers. Simply put in how to do makeup, how to apply makeup, how to apply foundation. Go into the series and learn for yourself. It's so important. And it's easy. Nowadays you have YouTube. I had to learn through hard knocks, okay? Going out with horrible looking eyes, but now there's YouTube. So you can go on YouTube, find a video, and make it happen. It is important that you also look for colors that really match your skin. I don't like foundations, especially that are with a red undertone. I don't like looking red. I like looking golden brown. That's my preference. So whatever shade you are, whatever age you are, get the right foundation. So I'm going to go into a little bit of just simply about making sure you manicure your brows. Pluck if you need to, microblade if you want to, but whatever you do, shape them so that it complements your look and your face. In addition to that, make sure that you moisturize your lips. Okay, whether you paid for them or you were born with them, I don't really care. But moisturize your lips. Use a wonderful scrub. This is one particular oil product that I got from Milani. It's called Moisture Lock. Peach seed infused. It's a lip treatment. I recently bought it, but you could use Vaseline, you could use olive oil, whatever works for you. So, thank you so much for watching. This is the first series of Ageless Beauty. Please click on the bell so you'll know when I upload new videos. Also, click the JB to subscribe to the channel. And please follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.